In this video, we'll explore 5 exciting ways to embrace AI and transform your home into a smart and efficient space. 1. Smart home devices. Use AI-powered smart speakers and virtual assistants to control lights, thermostats, and entertainment systems with just your voice. 2. AI-powered personal assistant. Utilize Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant to set reminders, answer questions, and manage your daily tasks effortlessly. 3. Upgrade your appliances with AI technology. Smart refrigerators, washing machines, and vacuums can learn your habits, save energy, and simplify chores. 4. AI-based home security systems. Monitor your home with smart cameras, motion sensors, and alarms, all accessible through your smartphone. 5. AI-driven entertainment. Discover personalized content recommendations from streaming platforms, tailored to your interests. If you enjoy this video, subscribe and give a like. Embracing AI at home opens doors to convenience, efficiency, and a connected lifestyle. Say hello to a smarter home, where AI transforms the way you live. If you like this type of video, drop a comment below. See you soon.